What's going on YouTube? It's Guddang 775, just a mama boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I'll be doing a review on the CloudFox H2 wireless on-the-ear headphones. Okay, these things are sporting Bluetooth 4.2. They give you roughly around 10 to 12 hours of battery life, and they're pretty much made out of metal. Okay, metal all around. Okay, this whole single band right here is pretty much all metal. Okay, the only thing that I think is not metal is this little plastic thing here. Okay, this little cover, but for the most part the build quality looks solid. Okay, the only thing that I think might break is if you drop it, is probably, see this piece right here. There's a piece right there, you can barely see it right there. If you drop it like this, that might break. Not so much the metal, but the plastic, like the plastic ear cup itself. I don't know if it's plastic, I think it is. The plastic ear cup itself might break if you keep on dropping it on the floor, whatnot, or even by accident. But keep in mind, these things are $40, okay? And I think right now, I think there's like a 10% off code. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you folks want to go ahead and check these out. They come in two colors, black and blue, okay? I opted for the black, obviously. But yeah, I did a unboxing of this this headset a couple weeks back. I was supposed to do a review on it last week, but the Bluetooth U2 came into my life and I ended up testing that. I actually got a Bluetooth U2 versus video coming on Tuesday, and it'll be the Bluetooth U2s versus the TrebLab Z2s. Wow, that's gonna be an amazing video. Check that out on Tuesday. No, but seriously, back to the topic at hand. The CloudFox H2 wireless on-the-ear headphones. Okay, Bluetooth 4.2. Distance test is standard 30 feet. Okay, right at 30 feet, it's solid all the way, even through the walls. At my daughter's room, about 25 feet down the hallway, I cut into my daughter's room. Alright, the walls in between where I leave my cell phone down in the living room, and even though the walls are there, it still pretty much provides a solid sound. Now as soon as I get to 30 feet, 1 foot after 31 feet, these things start chopping out. At 33 feet, chop, 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 chop. 35 feet, it's gone. Okay, so standard 30 feet range. And let's go back to build quality again. Okay, all metal, single piece of metal all around. Okay, with 1 or 2 weak points. So build quality, 1 being garbage, 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born. This will probably get a 4.5 out of 5. Okay, it would have been perfect if it was all metal. Okay, even the cups. If the cups were metal, I don't think it had to. Well, these cups are aluminum, so I don't know. But yeah, build quality is pretty solid. Okay. Now the battery life, like I said, you get about 10 to 12 hours of battery life. The first 3 days I listened to about 3 hours a day at each. Okay, then as soon as I got to the 4th day, about an hour into it, these things died. They were fully charged when I got them. So yours might be fully charged when you get them, might not. Sometimes it's hit and miss. Sometimes some headsets I charge, some I don't. Okay, but the majority of headsets that come in, they're usually going to be fully charged, especially the newer ones. Okay, my Bluetooth U2s, they had full battery when they come in. So let's see what else. And it charges fairly quickly. Now, CloudFox, the company that makes these headphones, they said that these things charged up in 2 hours. Okay, they quick charge in 2 hours if you got the fast charger and with the cable they supply. These things did charge up in 2 hours. Actually, I kind of cheated. I left it on there for 3 hours because I had to go do something, you know. I don't know, I was cooking dinner, I think. I was cooking dinner. I left it on there for an hour longer than I wanted to because I wanted to test it. But, I mean, I'm into the 7th hour after the first charge, so I've got about 17 hours of listening to this thing. So, it's pretty good. Okay, battery life is good for what it is, for it's small, very light. Now, comfort-wise, okay, let me talk about comfort-wise. These protein ear pads, they swivel 90%, which is good. So like if you're at the store or whatnot, you got these walking around, you wanna they just fit like that. I like that how they fit like this. I like headphones that flip down like this, because sometimes, see, like me, I have no neck, okay? Other headphones, you're like, yeah bro, what's up? You know, but these flip down, that's cool and whatnot. Now as for comfort for wearing them, these these ear pads are pretty comfortable for the most part. Very reminiscent of the Ghost Tech Rapture Wireless over the ear headset that I have. This feels like almost the same thing. I think the Ghost Techs are softer though, but these are pretty much the same thing. Soft protein pad leather. Okay, it smells nasty now because I was sweating with it. Okay, I gotta wash them out. No, but seriously, comfort wise, they fit right on top of your head. You just have to adjust and make sure the band is resting slightly on your head. Then you might have to do a little bit of adjustment, but once you got it set on your head, they're pretty much stuck there. Okay, unless you do violent, up and down movements, they're not gonna fall off for the most part. It's got a very a medium light to light grasp on your head, so you could probably go running as long as you just go up and down, not move your head up and down like this. So up and down, you should be fine. And it provides a pretty decent seal for what it is. Okay, so comfort wise, I could wear this for about 3 hours, maybe longer. Okay, but that's when I usually stop, 3 hours. If I can wear it for 3 hours, then the comfort's good. So 1 being garbage, 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born. Comfort wise, it's a 5 out of 5 for me. It's comfortable. Yeah, it is. Okay, and you hardly know it's there because it's small and light. Good job, CloudFox. Now it's come to the sound quality. I'll let you folks listen to a couple songs real quick. Okay. Pretty good, right? One more song. Oh. Sound quality, it's great. Okay, it is great. For $40, it's a pretty good deal. Okay. The mids and highs are balanced for the most part, and the bass, it's there. It's not like a clean bass, but it's a nice bass, okay, a decent bass. It's not like a really clean bass, because I noticed when I push it to full volume on some songs, that bass can sound a little muddy, alright, on some songs. Now, for most songs that I listen to, the bass sounds decent, okay. It's clean for the most part, but like I said, on some songs, for me, the bass does get muddy and kind of dampens the sound, blacks out some of the mids and highs of that this thing is pushing out. But for the most part, okay, it sounds good. It's a great pair of cans, okay. Mids and highs are balanced, and just at full volumes, it does run into that problem of the bass drowning out some of the song. It does, okay. But yeah, I mean, sound quality is great, okay. For what you pay for it, keep in mind you're paying $40, probably less with the 10% coupon down below. Okay, you can go check that out later. But yeah, I mean, that's the CloudFox H2 wireless on-the-air headphones. Now, if you got $40 to spend, this is not a bad way to spend it. Okay, there are probably other headphones out there that rival this or possibly surpass this. One of those headphones is a pair of headphones that I did a while ago, months ago. I forgot the name of them, but they're the Edifier on the ear headphones. Picture will be here somewhere. Okay, those headphones are $30. They provide great sound, great balance, and for $30. The thing is, it doesn't come in a nice package or whatnot, but Edifier did concentrate on what's important was the sound quality. This is more like a whole package. Okay, if you wanted like the look, okay, something classy, something light that you can use, decent battery life at 10 hours. This is a great pair of headphones. Okay, yeah, this is the CloudFox H2 wireless on-the-ear headset. I hope you folks like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.